Okay, back in 1985, I designed a guitar and a ukulele. This is the ukulele I designed. This is an unfinished electric ukulele. It's actually a reject. It was slightly out on the body, but it's a good example to show you how the neck works and how the body works. Okay, the neck is held in a very simple joint here, just like an electric guitar. It comes apart like so. And the neck itself, this one's 28mm thick, and it's just made of maple with a walnut insert. The soprano instruments don't have a Struss rod, but you might want to put them on the tenor instruments. I'll leave notes on the plans about that. One thing I would like to say is that it's very important that you have a good break angle over here, otherwise you have to use a string retainer at this point. So what I've done now is to make the head is actually slightly further away on the new model, which means you have to actually plane down this to size. So you start off with a piece that was 30mm thick, and then you would plane that down to 28 at this end, and at this end you would take off the remainder piece of wood there. And that ensures that you have the right break angle over the nut, and it saves you using a piece of metal here to hold the strings down in place. I'm not currently making electric ukuleles. I'm focusing mainly on acoustic instruments at the moment, medieval and early types of instruments. And I've had lots of emails about these instruments and about getting plans, so I've put them out, made them available now. I can also supply some of the hardware if you can't get hold of the bridges or the neck plates for these instruments. I should be able to get hold of those for you soon as well. Now, to make the pick guards for these, I made a template the exact same size as the pick guard, and then I used double-sided tape to stick the pick guard to this, and use a router table, first of all to use a bearing guided cutter so that it was the same size and shape, and then I used a cutter with a 45-degree angle to put the chamfer on very carefully onto the top edge, being very careful at this point here because you don't want it to be rounded on the inside. Except at this point here, which you need about a 4mm radius, but not on this part here.